finger to them haters tryna stop how I'm really tryna get it. You little blocker straight trippin'. I'm chill though, waking up every single day knowing I'ma kill it. Demo the leader of the wolf pack. Don't let this smile fool you, killer, cause I'm all about that paper stack. Since a youngin' I've been a maniac, a tough-minded athlete, knew that hard work is where it's at. Compare me to your mans, I'm hotter. A real talk, man, I probably make a groupie at your only daughter. I'm moving forward through that clear water. You sinking, pimpin', I'm getting stronger, never getting caught up. Time is money, it's in my bloodline. Never waiting for anyone, cause I'm on my grind trying to get it. Haters is jocking cause I'm getting paid. I hustle hard though and I will straight throw it in your broke face. The green's calling me, it's showtime. I'm top notch, baby, rolling with a lady and she stay fine. The race is on and I'm not looking back to the finish line. I'm going hard, staying on track. I'm here to stay, always holding my ground. Call me Rocky Balboa, uppercutting through all these rounds. I'm going straight to the top, pimpin', holding the crown. And you gon' thank me when it's finished. Bye-bye haters and I'm out.
Sleep away your dream away. Wake and shake the hate away. Away, If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Today, home.
I can't be dreaming too long. I gotta wake and move and take the tools God gifted me to break loose. Can't hold a dream and not fulfill it. So twist the cap off what's bottled up inside and spill it. So I let go. Lace up my chucks and stroll. Take a walk and live the dream before it blows up in smoke. Soak my thoughts from the word to keep me scripted to teach. A lost soul in the world, roaming lost through these streets. A dream to touch all of my family and friends and homies that feel their life is almost close to the end. Show them the route to eternity's joy. The same path my mama prayed for me when I was a boy. A soldier's route to get his family through the gates. So I'm pouring out my soul to do whatever it takes. Rap about it, speak about it, salvation's a must. The only thing good about a dollar is in God we trust. And in that we should do, in him is what we pursue. So I'm pursuing to see my people accepted in heaven too. And whatever I do, in every step I take, if I should die before it happens, I pray the Lord my soul to take.